Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change address in Noon. The first thing I want you to do is launch the Noon app, and then here at the bottom you'll see the account section. I want you to tap here on account, and then I want you to scroll down until you see my account, and then you'll see addresses. I want you to tap on that, and then I want you to click here on add new address. So to change your address, you need to first add a new address. So you tap on that, and then you can go ahead and search up your location. So I'll go ahead and pick this location right here, and then I'll add the address details. So let's do our apartment and floor number, which you need to do the building or cluster name. These are optional, and then you need receiver details for this address. After you fill in all the details, go here and click on save, and after you're done with that, what you can do is you can see the address has been saved. You can go ahead and make sure your new address has been set to the primary one. So if you tap on another address, as you can see the address has been updated. Of course, you can go ahead and delete the other address just to make sure. There you go, we've deleted that. But that is how to change address in Noon.